first thing we want to do is remove the oil fill cap. This is going to help the crankcase vent properly when we go to drain our engine oil. Next up, using a 17mm socket, we'll remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. As the oil is draining, now is a good time to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, you want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. Now we'll go ahead and reinstall the drain bolt and torque this to 31 foot-pounds. Using a 65mm oil filter wrench, we'll simply unthread the oil filter from the crankcase. Make sure you have a drain pan underneath to catch the spillage from the oil in the filter. Now Yamaha pre-lubricates this gasket from the factory, so we don't need to apply a thin coat of oil on the gasket. We simply just spin it in place and torque this to 12 foot-pounds. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Yamaha states that this unit holds 2.8 quarts of 10W40 motorcycle oil. You can use any manufacturer here as long as it's designed for a wet clutch system. And we'll reinsert our oil fill cap. Now we're going to start the engine up, let it idle for just a few moments. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. Once it's done that, we'll shut the engine off and let it sit for a few more moments. Then we can get an accurate oil level reading. As you can tell here, our oil level is right in the center of the sight glass. If you look to the right of the sight window, there's two marks, upper and lower. We want it right in the middle of that, and this looks perfect, so let's hit the road.